Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand layout grid in Photoshop using guides step by step clearly.
Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document or open an existing one. To reveal the rulers, go to the top menu and select View. Choose Rulers from the drop-down menu, or press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Next, you will want to access the Guides feature. Navigate to View again. Select New Guide from the options provided. In the dialog box, choose whether you want a vertical or horizontal guide. Input the specific position in pixels or percentage for the guide. Click OK to place the guide on your canvas. Repeat this process for as many guides as you need to create your layout grid. To create multiple guides at once, you can select New Guide Layout under the View menu. In the New Guide Layout dialog, customize the number of rows and columns as per your grid requirements. Set the gutter width to add space between the rows and columns if needed. Click OK to apply the layout grid to your document. If you need to move a guide, simply click and drag it to the desired position. To delete a guide, click and drag it back to the ruler. You can also clear all guides by navigating to View, then selecting Clear Guides. To make your guides more visible, consider changing their color. Go to Edit in the top menu, then select Preferences. Choose Guides, Grid and Slices from the left-hand menu. Here, you can change the guide color to one that stands out against your design. Once you've set your guides, you can lock them in place to avoid accidental movement. To do this, go to View and select Lock Guides. Your brand layout grid is now restored and ready for design work. Feel free to adjust the guides at any time as your design evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.